Your prison record does not have to define your future. Learn a valuable skill and build a career based on what you can do today, not on mistakes from your past. They see your record. Now show them your value. For many people leaving prison, the hardest part is not serving the sentence. The hardest part is what comes next. You apply for jobs. You attend interviews. You try to move forward. But every application feels like an uphill battle. The moment a background check appears, opportunities seem to disappear. Many employers look at your past before they look at your potential. After enough rejection, it becomes easy to believe that your future has already been decided. But that is not true. Your past is not the problem. The real problem is that many people are never shown a path forward. Nobody teaches them a skill. Nobody introduces them to an industry. Nobody explains how to create opportunities instead of waiting for someone else to provide them. The truth is simple. The more valuable your skills become, the more opportunities you create for yourself. That is why learning a profession matters. That is where freight dispatching comes in. Every day, thousands of trucks move freight across the United States. Those trucks need loads. Drivers need routes. Brokers need transportation. Someone has to coordinate everything. That person is often a freight dispatcher. Freight dispatchers communicate with drivers, brokers, and carriers to help keep freight moving. They manage schedules, coordinate loads, and help trucking operations run smoothly. The industry operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Much of the work can be done remotely, from home, using a laptop, an internet connection, and a phone. Many people are turning to freight dispatching because it is based on skills. It is not about where you were 5 years ago. It is about what you can do today. Successful dispatchers are valued because they can communicate professionally, stay organized, solve problems, manage details, build relationships, and keep operations running smoothly. These are skills that can be learned, and skills create opportunities. Imagine waking up each day knowing that you are building something instead of starting over. Imagine having a skill that companies need. Imagine earning income based on your abilities instead of being limited by your history. That is what attracts many people to the logistics industry. Not promises, not shortcuts, opportunity. This opportunity may be a good fit for people who have recently been released from prison, people living with a criminal record, people having difficulty finding stable employment, people looking for a fresh start, people interested in remote work, people willing to learn a new skill, and people ready to build a long-term career. At Truck Driver Nation, we help people learn the fundamentals of freight dispatching. This includes load planning and coordination, broker communication, driver communication, dispatch software, workflow systems, and real-world logistics operations. Our goal is simple: to help people develop practical skills that can create new opportunities. Every Wednesday, we host a live webinar where we explain what freight dispatchers do, how the industry works, how beginners get started, what the training involves, and the career opportunities available in logistics. No experience is required, only a willingness to learn. Your record is part of your story. It does not have to be the end of your story. You cannot change the past, but you can build a better future. The decision you make today may determine where you are 1 year from now. If you are ready to learn a valuable skill and explore a new opportunity, join us this Wednesday and discover how freight dispatching could become your next step forward. Because your prison record does not have to define your future.